Get the latest on what's going on this earnings season, meets, beats, and more in Zacks Earnings Scorecard.
There's one stock in particular that Eric Dutram, our editor of Zacks Surprise Trader, has been checking out this earnings season, and he's going to tell us about it. It's Nvidia, right?
Yeah.
And from what I can see, anyway, they're set to report their fifth straight quarter of positive sales.
Yeah, Nvidia's really been a strong performer lately. We've seen a lot of great performances out of not only this company, but a lot of other semiconductor stocks lately. So expectations are definitely going to be high. Top 5% industry rank for this name too. So a lot of things to like about Nvidia going into the report, at least if you look at the sector at large. If we look to the company in particular though, we can see some of the recent earnings performances. The company has a pretty good track record. We can see 4 straight beats for Nvidia coming into this report. And earnings estimates have really taken off over the last couple of weeks too. They've really kept track with this huge surge in prices for Nvidia. So that's definitely an encouraging sign for this stock. The company does have a Zacks rank #1, strong buy right now. CVGM score, so there's a little bit more leeway in terms of what type of company this is if you look to those metrics. And in particular, if we look to some of the valuation for Nvidia these days, we can see exactly what I'm talking about. The price to cash flow and the PE are a bit higher than the industry at large. Some questions about the earnings yield as well for this company, so those are definitely metrics to watch. But in terms of growth, that's really where Nvidia shines. It does have a score in terms of its growth. If we look to some of these metrics here, we can see exactly why that's the case. Projected EPS growth 44% compared to the industry average of about 11.6. And that's really kind of the main thing to note for Nvidia coming into this report. It's really going to be about living up to expectations with their new Pascal architecture for some of their new chips that they're putting out there. So it's going to be a pretty interesting report given some of its recent performances here. High expectations though, so it's going to be a interesting one to watch. And if you're curious on how to trade it, I definitely recommend tuning in on Thursday at 1 p.m. Central. Our own Dave Bartosiak is going to be talking about this stock a little more in depth and how to play this with options.
Okay, do you own it?
Do not.
All right, check out more information. It's all on the website, Zacks.com. Get there on the internet if you're not there watching the video that we're doing here, and link to it all off the homepage with Eric. I'm Terry Ruffalo.